BJ, ipamu amin dagitoy dito'y tatalagage mo masapol mo to dagitoy Tylenol, dagitoy allergy, Vicks, kada white flower, kan Pepto-Bismol, kada kwa motion sickness, masapol mo G Pilipinas dagitoy
Oh my God, Mom. Do I have to pack all of those?
You stop talking there. Oh my God, you need this one again.
That's
And then
too
before
much.
again,
I don't need all of those.
ask me for medicine and then no more. You put it over there.
Oh my.
My God.
Mom, I'm just saying
Ay,
I don't
okay
need
ni nam tiltilat at
those.
ibagbagam dita. Biro kan to man tiyawan dito yan. Sando siyak man ti pabasulo mo. Sando gibit kan to manan. Dimpalay pan
You're a
dagito.
kid no more.
Apay nakapak ka ditan. Nagita brief mo kada badbadom ditan.
No,
Santog dardaras kan
I'll
to
pack
manan.
later.
Santog malipatam dagita. Santo siyak man ti paggatanga mo. Nga brief mo
I
kada kwan.
won't forget.
Di ka pala gipak namin. Amor orayin nun.
Can you just get out of my room?
Apay, di ka pa nakalaba?
I still gotta
Ay, my
watch.
Di ka man naglaban. Okay, you high blood me again, ha?
Pack later.
You go laba already and pack your shit.